Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, wanted to talk to you guys about my salad rigs. It's been about, I think, almost a month or 2 months now since I have set these up, and since I've actually ever talked about or updated you guys about my salad rigs. I want to show you guys my earnings, which have been obviously terrible because a lot of people have gotten into salad, and it's been pretty down, pretty bad, I have to say. So I'll show you guys my 30-day earnings throughout this video, but I just wanted to state, what do I have running on salad currently? I currently have 4 machines that are set up. I have a bunch more that I've been meaning to set up, but I just haven't had the mental capacity to do so yet. But I have 3 RTX 3090 rigs here and 1 RTX 3060. Okay, they all have 64 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe, and various CPUs ranging between 3900Xs and 5950X CPUs. So these are just singular computers that I have standing up on these $20 metal frames, which I love. I bought a whole bunch of these, and I had already a bunch of power supplies, which I got from my other crypto mining rigs, which I've built in the past. So these are just ones that I got from the barn. So yeah, looks really cool. I actually do love looking at these just because how they're sitting like this. But anyways, I mainly wanted to talk about my earnings on salad, and I want to know what your guys' earnings are in salad down below. And let me know what you guys have on salad, like what kind of GPU, RAM, how much you're earning. I'd love to know all that down below. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the computer. I'll show you guys my earnings right after a word from today's video sponsor, AltairTech.io. With their lightning fast shipping worldwide, hassle-free for US buyers, no customs, no VAT, just seamless service. AltairTech.io is your one-stop shop for all Bitcoin mining. They are not your typical brokers drop shipping from China. In the St. Louis area, they have a warehouse that ensures you get your orders quickly from their inventory, guaranteeing a superior buying experience. Trust and integrity are their foundation. With a 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot, they are among the top 5 out of 1,000 cryptocurrency service companies. Their customer service is unparalleled. They understand crypto mining products deeply and are here to help new miners set up and troubleshoot. They are dedicated, spending hours with customers if needed. Pleb miner friendly with no minimum order quantities ever. They empower home miners with no MOQs, flexible payment options including PayPal and credit cards, and support available in the evenings and weekends. Join the mining revolution with Altair Tech, fast shipping, expert support, and the community of miners just like you. Visit them today at altairtech.io. Use coupon code RPM for 1% off your whole order. Link down below. All right, so right away, showing you guys how much I've earned the past 30 days. About $94.03. So that's with the rigs that I have that I explained with you guys, the 3 3090s and 1 3060. Okay, so looking at my 30 days now, I just want to show you guys how much I've earned combined, okay, for all the rigs the past 30 days. It hasn't been great, and I'm sure most of you know, and for those that are into salad or using salad to rent out their GPUs to make money, all right, this is basically what it is. Mainly, salad is using the GPUs for some type of distributed compute, AI workloads of some sort. People are renting out these, and apparently they have nodes across 191 countries, and worldwide apparently have 2 million plus nodes and $7+ million paid out to GPU owners such as ourselves. So we have a little bit of piece of the pie here. Okay, I know you guys can see my lifetime balance. It does include about less than $100 of referrals, which apparently they closed now, so that's whatever. But what you see here, it doesn't include referral income. This is all just earnings from the machines themselves, okay? So going along, okay, about 4 weeks ago, my rigs were earning pretty decent amount. You can see here I was getting about $4.63 that day, $5.48, $6.28, $3, almost $4 there, almost $8.28 here. So you can see that week was doing pretty good with those 4 GPUs that I had on salad. But then as time went on, okay, and obviously, a lot of people got into salad, whether or not that was due to a lot of content creators creating salad videos. I believe I've only done 1 or 2 in the past 2 months. So it's garnered a bit of hype there from my side, but obviously, salad has been, I'd say something where a lot of people have been getting into, and it's not just from people on YouTube. I mean, if they're claiming that they have, 2 million plus nodes that are out there, if this, means individual GPUs, which, with Salad, every machine is an individual computer anyway, with a singular GPU, right? You can't run Salad with multi GPUs. That doesn't work. And as well as, I think you guys have seen and heard from me and other people as well, that these types of rigs, they do best on running on 64 gigs of memory. Okay, so I have all 4 of my rigs, right? The 33090s and 3060 rig, they all have 64 gigs of memory. And then, yeah, the GPUs, mainly I all have 3090s. I do have one 3060 running, like I said. And then I have 1 terabyte NVMEs on each of the rigs, okay? So it hasn't been very good for me over the past, I'd say, couple of weeks now. I know that there's been updates on Salad, and I know there was one recently. I was just reading on their Discord. They said here that this was like a week ago. Sunsetting Salad versions update to 1.62 to get container workloads. Salad will be closing the kitchen for containers to chefs who are running Salad versions before 1.62. So they said, make sure you update your Salad rig today to the latest version. So I actually didn't update my rig on those days. I actually, all 4 of those rigs, I actually just updated it yesterday. All right. So you can see here, right? The 9th, I believe that's when the update came out. And then my rigs were still earning. So I think 2 of them or 1 of them still had workloads, and they were still the previous workloads from the previous version, older version of Salad. And I do have 1 rig here, this 3090 rig, which has not been updated because I did not want to stop the workload. Apparently it did still have a workload, but now that it's gone, I am going to update it now. Okay, I actually wanted to just show you guys this because, I just wanted to show you how I updated it. So it's just a notification in the app, the Salad app, once you open it and you hit update now, and then you click on it, and of course it's installing now. And I'm using Google Remote, by the way. There's some people may be asking, how do you access the rig, the PC? Well, I just use Google Remote, and I do have HDMI dummy plugs on each of the GPUs because that helps out a lot. When I didn't have any HDMI dummy plugs, it's just to mimic like a monitor plugged in, and then the remote control through Google Remote the performance was much better. There's no freezing or anything. So highly recommend getting HDMI dummy plugs. All right, so now I can let this rig start chopping, start working away, and we'll see how that goes. But last 24 hours, I did update the other 2 3090 rigs, and 3060 rig earned about $4 in the last for 24 hours. So that's pretty good. That's doing pretty good. So looking at here, okay, guys. So yeah, the past couple of weeks, earnings have not been good. Some days are good, some days are not as good. But you guys can generally see how much I'm earning, and so you guys can compare to yours. I did look at Brandon Coin's video. I don't have it up here, but his earnings were pretty much in line with mine. Like his chart looks, I think he was earning a bit more, but like the highs and lows pretty much mimicked mine here. And obviously the profitability is now way down in the dumps, right? It's not as good because I think it's just because there's just too many people using Salad now to make money, right? To rent out their GPUs. But in a way, I think at this point in time, and I know there's a crypto mining channel, but I just wanted to update you guys on my little Salad journey here, that it is still better in a way than crypto mining. Because if I were to crypto mine right now, I would essentially be, my power cost is around 8 cents, and a 3090, for mining. If I were to use these for mining, I'd be pretty much breaking even, or maybe making a little bit on Firo or something like that, maybe another 10 cents or something. But I think that I have majority made more money on Salad with those GPUs than if I were to, crypto mine instead. But then again, the argument is, what if I was mining some other coin, spec mining some coin, and waiting for the coin to price appreciate? That's of course the ultimate crypto mining strategy we all know and love. But, at the end of the day, it does come down to, I do have a lot of these GPUs that are more inefficient, and I have 3070s that I love that are used for crypto mining. So I do have another 6 3090s that I've been wanting to take off of crypto mining and put them onto Salad just to help offset, the costs to my electrical bill, right? So that I can use that money then to put towards the electrical bill, and then I'll be able to hodl all the other coins that I'm mining on my other GPUs that are not 3090s. So, right, 3090s are great to use because they have a lot of VRAM. They're great for for compute workloads, that type of thing. And so that's why I'm using 3090s and also 3060s because they had 12 gigs of VRAM as well. But anyways, this is mainly just a profit video. Just wanted to show you guys here how much I was earning every day with those 4 rigs. And it generally overall wasn't great. Maybe it was good before, maybe before everyone was going on, but I'd say, yeah, it's not very good now. So if you're watching the video all the way to the end here, everyone just get off Salad. It's not good anymore. And yeah, I guess that's the sentiment I've been hearing from a lot of people. It's like, get off Salad. It's not profitable for me anymore. I'm not making any money and they're not earning much anymore. But I guess it's all dependent as well as on Salad to provide those workloads to everybody. So whether or not there's going to be a lot of demand from them, from the companies that are going to be utilizing their services here to rent out our GPUs, begs the question. So, all right, my friends, well, that's it. I haven't done a Salad video or updated you guys on this for a long time, so I thought I'd give you guys my numbers here, how, compare it to yours. Let me know what you guys have been earning. And yeah, otherwise, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.